So you probably already have watched a couple videos, and I tend to get a lot of things from TEMU. There's some pretty good stuff. So last year, my goodness, well, if you're watching this video, maybe 5 years ago, who knows? So we bought these lights. So these are solar activated LED lights. We bought them back in April of 23 the first time, and we have 2 strands that are on our porch out back. Absolutely love them. They're on a timer. They're cheap, which is nice. You can pick them up for like $3 or $4 for 200 feet, I think it is. Something outrageous. Let's see if it says, I don't even think it even says on here. Yeah, it's like 200 feet or 200 lights, one of the two. Really simple to use. They last outside, which is fantastic. So I have these 3 reindeer that I got from my stepfather and mom, and these they're incandescent light bulbs, which absolutely suck. As you know, when one goes out, they all go out, and trying to find the light that is bad is near impossible. This one over here that has the green on it, I just replaced the entire set because it was just a pain in the butt. So I just bought more incandescent lights and put them on it. I decided this year, after being on TEMU, that, you know what? I'm gonna grab the LED lights. And these are solar powered. So I don't have to plug them into my outlet. All I have to do is take the little solar panel and put it up in front of the deer, which is nice. Then I don't have to worry about timer and all that other crap. So actually, super nice, pretty tight. Comes with a stake, solar panel, pretty easy operations on the back, just buttons. For being cheap, these are actually pretty decent LED lights. Highly recommend them. I'll put a link in there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to redo these, and I'm gonna time lapse it so you don't have to watch me. This will be fun. All right, so he is all done, and he's actually really sad because it is raining outside. He can't go outside yet, but actually turned out pretty good. Actually, I had plenty of lights on there. Actually, I had more than I expected. Made it all the way through. So once it is nicer outside, we will put him out, let him power up, and you can see what it looks like.